Exercise 11.2. Today I'll start with question number 3. Principal is given rupees 625. Rate 4 per annum. That is actually 4% per annum. Time is given 2 years. We are going to calculate the amount. Here P is rupees 625. R 4% per annum. N 2 years. For annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. P is 625 into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 2. LCM 100. Upside 100 plus 4. 104 by 100 whole square. So rupees 625 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. Cancellation by 25 you can try. 25 25 the 625. 25 4 the 100. By 4 you can cut this one 26. Again by 25 you can cut this 4. 4 into 26 gives us 104. 26 26 the 676. So amount is rupees 676. Question number 4 now. Principal is given rupees 2000. Rate 4 paisa per rupee. 4 paisa per rupee means 4% per annum. Time 3 years. Here P is rupees 2000. R 4% per annum. N 3 years. For annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Rupees 2000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 3. LCM 100, upside 100 plus 4, it becomes 104 by 100 to the power 3. So rupees 2000 into 104 by 100, 3 times you can write. All these 3 zeros cancel out, remaining don't cut, multiply 2249728 divided by 1000. From the last before 3 digit you can put the decimal. So rupees 2249.728, approximately rupees 2249.73 because third digit is more than 5. So that is your amount. Question number 5 now. Principal rupees 8000, rate 15 per annum, that is 15% actually, time 3 years. Here P is equal to rupees 8000, R is 15% per annum, N is 3 years. Same calculation for every question. For annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Rupees 8000 into 1 plus 15 by 100 to the power 3. LCM 100, upside 100 plus 15, it becomes 115 by 100 to the power 3. So rupees 8000 into 115 by 100 you can write 3 times, then 1 by 1 everything should be cancelled out. Answer rupees 12167, that is rupees 12,167 is the amount. Question number 6 now. Rashid obtained a loan of rupees 4000 against some security. Rate of interest is given 2.5% per annum, compounded annually. Find the amount paid by him at the end of 2 years. Here P is equal to rupees 4000. R 2.5% per annum, N 2 years, amount question mark. For annually, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N, rupees 4000 into 1 plus 2.5 by 100 to the power 2. So rupees 4000 into 1 plus 25 by 10, remove the decimal, into 100. That is 1 plus 25 by 1000. LCM 1000, upside 1000 plus 25, it becomes 1025 by 1000 whole square. So rupees 4000 into 1025 by 1000 into 1025 by 1000. 3 zeros cancel out. Then by 4 you can cancel. By 5 you can cancel. By 5 you can cancel. Then remaining it is coming rupees 42 after multiplication 42025 by 10. From the last before one digit put the decimal, rupees 4202.50. Therefore, the amount paid by him at the end of 2 years is rupees 4202.50. With this, I'll conclude today. Bye.